AI isn't coming to schools someday. It's already here. The question is, are you ready to lead through it? So picture this. Your teachers are experimenting with AI lesson planners. Students are sneaking ChatGPT into their homework. And your district office is looking at AI to save time on budgeting and data analysis. As a school leader, you don't get to opt out of this moment, but you do get to guide it. And that's what today's episode is all about. Hey, everybody. Dr. Gordon Amerson here, Superintendent of Schools and Gallup Certified Strengths Coach. And on this channel, we leverage my experience from classroom teacher all the way to the school district superintendency to help you go further, faster in your educational journey. If this is your first time with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any cool updates or any of our latest episodes or content. So today we're talking about one of the biggest shifts in education that we've ever seen, and that is artificial intelligence in our schools. So you might be asking yourself, well, why this even matters? Well, the truth is that AI isn't a future buzzword anymore. It's here and it's shaping all these things. Let me give you a list. It's shaping how students learn and access information. It's also shaping how teachers plan, grade, and differentiate their instruction. How leaders like you and I make system-wide decisions. So if you're in a leadership position right now, your staff and community are looking to you to set the tone. Will AI be a distraction, or will AI be a tool that we will use for innovation? That is the leadership question. So as I think about practical examples, like in action of what this looks like. So here are a few ways that I think AI is already at play. So let's look at it from the classroom level. Teachers are using AI to generate practice questions. They're adapting passages to different levels for students, or they're brainstorming lesson ideas in seconds. Things that took them hours to develop, they can now develop in seconds. But let's look at it from the student level. So our kids are experimenting with AI chat tools to improve their draft essays. They're solving math problems, or they're prepping for exams. And for us at the district office, those district level leaders, we're analyzing attendance patterns. We're looking at discipline data, or we're forecasting what budgets look like through AI powered dashboards. Each of these open up opportunities, but also they come with some risk. The leadership role for all of us is to find that balance in between innovation and also integrity. So when you put this through the leadership lens, let's ask ourselves, so what does this mean for you as a leader? So 3 key mindsets that I want you to think about. So let's start with curiosity before fear. Do not shut the door on AI. Explore it, play with it, understand how it works so you can guide others with it. Think equity first. Ask yourself, is this tool widening gaps or helping to close them? If some kids have unlimited AI access at home and others don't, your policies will matter more than ever. And 3, always people over platforms. AI, it is powerful, but it will never replace the trust, the vision, and the emotional intelligence that human leaders bring to the table. Your job is to keep people at the center while using tools that will help them thrive in their work. So what's next? What are the next steps for leaders? Well, if you're wondering, where do I start? Here's the answer to that question. Start small. Try using AI to draft a weekly staff memo and then personalize it. Explore how a teacher might use it to differentiate a single assignment, or set up a discussion group with your leadership team so you all can experiment together. The key is, don't wait until policies are written for you. Be proactive. Model what thoughtful, ethical use looks, feels, and sounds like. So I want to hear from you. What excites you the most about AI in schools, and what scares you the most? I want you to drop those thoughts in the comments below because your perspective will help others navigate this moment that we find ourselves in. And if you want a simple, practical resource to get started, I've created an AI education starter guide just for school leaders. It's free and it walks you through examples, questions to ask your staff, and first steps for your school or your district as you think about implementing AI. The link is in the description. Grab it and start leading with confidence today. So as we keep moving forward, just remember, AI is not just a tech issue. It's truly the leadership issue of our time in education. The leaders who step up right now with courage and clarity are the ones who will shape schools that are both innovative and deeply human. And that's the kind of future that our kids deserve. So if you like this video, check out this next video as well. It's going to help you move even further in your journey of looking at leadership and AI and how these things intersect. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with a colleague who you think needs to hear it. And until next time, keep leading forward, and we certainly will see you in the next episode. Be well.